Aba, mukhang kailangan na ng fashion visa bago makatapak sa BGC dahil tila bawal na ang pormang youngstana kahit sa bangketa lang naman tatambay. While BGC may be private property, it operates as a quasi-public space, meaning its right to exclude shouldn't be arbitrarily exercised. Pasok ito sa violation ng Article 19 ng Civil Code o tinatawag na abuse of rights, which demands that rights must be exercised with justice and honesty. Hindi hustisya ang mang-profile base sa suot. Nakakaalarma ang ganitong classism where wearing streetwear is deemed a threat pag mahirap but high fashion pag mayaman, violating the spirit of equal protection under our Constitution. Kung talagang safety ang priority, dapat behavior-based ang polisiya. Hulihin ang nanggugulo, bantayan ang lahat hindi batay sa porma, kundi sa kriminal na kilos. Hindi krimen ang magsuot ng baggy pants. Hindi sila kahina-hinala at kriminal dahil lang hindi sila mukhang mayaman sa pagtingin ng iba. True urban progress is defined by inclusivity, not by turning public streets into gated runways where the right to walk is reserved for the privileged few. We need more public spaces in this country, but for now, nakulang pa ang public spaces for everyone. Let's allow our younger ones to explore, enjoy, and discover the best parts of our country, including BGC. Huwag maging discriminatory batay sa suot. Agyamanak. At Redil De Leon po at dapat patas sa batas.